You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names from anatomy and medical terms, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got loads to learn here. English pronunciation, a part of the testicle. Rete testis. Rete testis, some pronounce it also, which is closer to Latin, as rete testis, but in English pronunciation, rete testis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.